So tomorrow's the first day of the warm-up here in Kentuckiana, and then we have some rain. But your forecast, the one day I'm really watching is what is going on Friday.
It's going to be a brief cool down.
It's like sandwiched.
Yeah. So you'll see our 5 days here. So we go up, up, up. Brief dip and then back up. That is behind a cold front. So a pretty strong cold front actually that's going to roll through on Thursday. We could have some gusty showers. Wouldn't be surprised if we have a few rumbles of thunder in there on Thursday with high temperatures in the 50s. It does not look like the cold air is going to catch up to that moisture, but we are going to fall into the 20s Thursday night and then into the 30s for highs on Friday before we rebound right back near that 50-degree mark for this upcoming weekend. But let's take a look at our high temperatures so far this month in Louisville. Typically, when I show these calendars, we have a mix of red, blue, and maybe a couple of gray days. Gray means right at the climate normal. Blue means below the daily climate normal high, and red would be above normal. Every single day so far this month has been at least 1 degree colder than average for that particular day. This past Sunday, we hit 20 degrees, and that was at midnight. We dropped down to the single digits and teens for the rest of the day there. So it's certainly been a cold start to the month, and it's been a very, very snowy start to the month as well. In fact, at the Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport, we have picked up 10.6 inches of snowfall so far for December. That puts us in 4th place for the snowiest December on record, and we've been keeping the records in Louisville since the 1890s. So very, very impressive. Now, I will say, as I do put this model run on here, we'll see if there's been any changes. Doesn't look like it. Really keeps all that snow off to our north. As I mentioned, with that cold front rolling through on Thursday, that cold air could squeeze out maybe a couple of snowflakes Thursday night, but for the most part, we're talking all rain for our precipitation over the next week. Temperatures right now are in the 20s and 30s across the area. You can see satellite radar is dry with just some clouds that are rolling in from the north, so expect mostly clear to partly cloudy skies overnight. And I do think we will have some clouds around at least for the first half of the day tomorrow, so expect a mix of sun and clouds out there. Temperatures, though, still warming into the 40s, so we'll have a nice thawing and melting with clouds continuing to increase into Wednesday. And then as we carry on into Thursday, this will be the day where you'll definitely want that umbrella or rain jacket. You can see this front bringing in widespread showers, about an inch or so of rainfall possible with drier conditions by Friday. 7-day forecast here, primarily 40s and 50s. Yes, the outlier there is Friday with a high of 35. This weekend, the best rain chance will be Saturday night into Sunday morning.